How long will it take for my offer and compromise to be decided by the IRS? That's a question we're going to answer here today. My name is Darren T. Mish. They call me the IRS Solution Attorney. Offers and compromise are a program where you can make a deal to settle for less with the IRS, sometimes for pennies on the dollar. The length of time that your offer is going to take to process, it kind of depends. It depends on the complexity of the issues in the offer, and it depends, frankly, on how backlogged the IRS is. At the date of this video, offers, I would say, simpler offers. So you have a wage earner, you have somebody with a paycheck. There's no other outside income coming into the household, and there's really minimal assets. Maybe a house, but maybe that's it. Maybe a couple cars, but nothing complicated. Then those offers are generally being worked somewhere in the 5 to 7 month range. 5 months would be extraordinarily short. 7 months for that kind of case would be a little bit on the long side. A more complicated offer, so somebody who either owes a lot of money or is self-employed, or maybe you have two self-employed people in the household, or maybe you have trusts and things like that, so more complicated asset issues. Those things are taking somewhere between 12 and 18 months. It's important to remember that the IRS by statute only has 2 years to work an offer. So if 2 years and a day go by, then you win, they lose, and I really like that part of the law. To date, since that law has been passed, which I think it was passed in 2012, I have never seen one. I've never seen anybody beat it based on the 2-year rule. They have tickler systems and things like that to really prevent that from happening. And I'm plugged in with, probably hundreds of guys who do what I do across the country, and I've never heard of one either. But it's still important to know. I had one get close. I had one get within, I would say, somewhere between 60 and 90 days, and they ultimately rejected that offer. But we appealed and we won. So remember, it doesn't include the appeal time. It only includes that first time. So from when the offer is filed to when it's either accepted or rejected. If it's more than 2 years, then you win, they lose. So that's how long an offer takes. To sum it all up, it's going to take somewhere between 5 and 18 months or so before a typical offer is going to be accepted or rejected work, basically. And if you have simpler facts, like you're a wage earner, it's going to be on the short end. And if you have more complex facts, like you're self-employed or own a business, then it's going to be on the long run. If you have questions about this or really anything else having to do with IRS problem resolution, I invite you to visit our website at getirshelp.com.